Привет, I am Irina, and I'm here with you again, my dear Russian learners. Today we're going to talk about very difficult sounds. Very difficult because when you pronounce them, they're a bit different from what you get used to say, to pronounce. So that's why we will practice a lot. And please repeat after me, and everything will be okay. So we can start with that. So today's sounds, today's consonants are maybe similar, but not so much to English ones. So the first one is sh. Sh is should, shine, shock in English. So that's not so complicated. So let's read the combinations. Sha, sho, shu, she, she, a, sha, o, sho, u, shu, e, she, ü, she. And actually we don't have the combination sh and ü, only e, she, but it's pronounced as she. Ash, osh, ush, эш, иш. Что, шта, шту, шка, шко. So that's it. Sh. Now let's come to next consonant, which is zh. Zh. Actually, there is no such sound in English. Zh, zh, zh. Жа, жо, жу, же, жи. А, жа, жба. О, жо, жбо. У, жу, жбу. Же, и, жи. And some combinations. Жда, жду, ждо, жды. So now let's compare sh and zh. So sh is voiceless and zh is voiced. Ша, жа, шо, жо, шу, жу, ше, же, ши, жи. Шна, жна, шно, жно, шну, жну, кша, гжа, кшу, гжу, кши, гжи. Okay, let's compare s and sh, which is often confused by my German students. Нас, наш, вас, ваш, раз, раш, рос, рош, рус, руш. In comparison, z and zh. За, жа, зо, жо, зу, жу, зы, жи. Зда, жда, здо, ждо, зду, жду. And combination with r. Зра, жда. Зра, жра. Зро, жро. Зру, жру. Зры, жры. Aha. And what I have to say is that, do you remember some voiced consonants at the end of the word become voiceless? Now let's read two words which have a bit different pronunciation from what you see, from what you can read. So it is нож. I don't pronounce нож, I pronounce нож. Voice becomes voiceless. And ложка. I also don't say ложь, I say ложка. Ж becomes ш. Ложка. So let's read the words. Нож, шкаф, шарф, стол, сын, звук. Тоже, можно, школа, шапка, завтра, завтрак, журнал, рассказ, завод, страна. So that's it. It's easy. Ж and sh are new consonants for today. So now I'm going to say goodbye, and please practice reading. If you have some questions or if something is not clear, you can text me anytime. Feel free to ask me whatever you want about learning Russian. So I'm always with you to help and to assist. Пока!